Oh, it's on fire. Oh, that's crash and burn, baby.
Damn.
The freeway is completely shut down.
Because of those cars on fire.
Yeah. They're just letting it burn. That's a truck, huh? What is that? God, it stinks.
It's a semi.
That's a wood structure, isn't it? Something.